Hey guys, this is our unboxing of our Lodge cast iron cookware. Wanted to share with you a little bit about the stuff that's inside because there's confusion on the reviews on what's actually inside. So here we go. This is the set that has a 10-inch 5-quart deep camp Dutch oven, as well as the lid, the accessories, and the skillet, a 10.25-inch skillet. So seasoned for natural, easy release finish. It's easy hand washing, dry promptly, rub with cooking oil. It comes with silicone accessories, dishwasher safe and heat resistant. The accessories are but not for oven. And then also you can saute and sear and simmer and braise roast with this. And it says unparalleled heat retention with even heating, and you can use this on the stove, on the grill, and over a campfire, which we plan to use all of those ways with this cookware. And then so these are the different ways you can use it, depending on what you have at home or depending on what you have outdoors. These are all the ways that you can use with the skillet. Open it, open, Ooh. It's heavy. That's the cover. And here are the accessories. They're packaged up like this, so they're not, I guess, flying everywhere in the box. That's the Dutch oven. It's so beautiful. It's just, I love the quality of everything. It's just so nice. This one too, Bob. She has no clue how nice these things are. You like it? Look at that. That's our Dutch oven with the little legs and a skillet. And the stand and the silicone to protect your hands, and a cookbook. Yay! Let's get cooking, grilling, campfiring. I don't know if I mentioned already, but I got this set from Amazon.com, and I waited until it dipped just under $100 for the whole set. I know it's been more than that, and I didn't buy it when it was. There's confusion on the lid and which set comes with what type of lid and size, and I think it's just because Amazon combines the reviews for one seller all into one product. So keep an eye out for that. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Say bye-bye.